Now this is a question asked in the examination in the year 1991, a board examination. It says plane meets the coordinate axis in ABC such that the centroid of the triangle is point PQR. Show that the equation of a plane is x upon p plus y upon q plus z upon r is equal to 3. 3 is also 1 plus 1 plus 1. I write solution, or since it says show that, better write proof. Now anyways, this talks about the intercept form of a plane. So let me first write what is the intercept form of a plane. X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. This is very much agreeable between us. Now we know the centroid has been given, and the centroid is nothing but the obtained as with the help of axis. I know that on x axis we have a intercept, so rest is 0. On y axis we have b intercept, so rest is 0. On z axis we have c intercept and rest is 0. So how is the centroid obtained? A plus 0 whole upon 3, 0 plus b plus 0 whole upon 3, 0 plus c whole upon 3. So centroid is a upon 3, b upon 3, c upon 3. But centroid is given to you as PQR. That means a upon 3 is equal to p, b upon 3 is equal to q, c upon 3 is equal to r. So that means a is equal to 3p, b is equal to 3q and c is equal to 3r. So now obtain the values of a, b, c. Let's put in 1. So put in 1. So you have x upon 3p plus y upon 3q plus z upon 3r, and 1 upon 3 has come out to be common. So I take 1 upon 3 common and it becomes x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 1. Now this 3 goes to the other side. So what is the required equation and the resultant equation? Both are same. So it becomes x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equal to 3, hence proved. So this is how we do it, and this is very important to know because the intercept form and the centroid knowledge was also required in this question.